Hi everybody, welcome back to Midwest Equipment. In this video we are going to show you precisely how to hook up and attach a dump from the seat PTO vac. Alright, step one guys, you're going to want to locate your deck height lever on your compact tractor. Set the deck height to the desired cut you want. You'll notice on this one I'm setting ours at 3 inches. So that's where you're going to start. Okay, right now I want to show you the steps that we take to attach the PTO to the back of the tractor. This video shows everything in place right now, but the first thing you're going to want to do is take our support straps on each side here. They are adjustable, so you're going to want to take your pin out at the top here, put one of our support straps on each side and put your pin back in place. Then you're going to want to put it on each side of the category pin off of our frame. Just let them sit on there, and you do not want to tighten the straps quite yet. Okay, after you have our support arms in place on each side of your tractor and on the frame on the category pin, you're going to want to put your lower support arm onto the category pin on each side and put this pin in place, lock it in. So now you're set up down here, and what you're going to want to do is get the desired height with your mower deck still at the set height, and you're going to want to lock these bolts in place on each side of our support arms. This will keep the unit from lifting up or down. It's going to stabilize it and lock it in place. Okay, one of the last two steps you're going to want to do on back of your tractor, you have what I call stabilizer bars on each side, right here where my hand is. These are a little bit loose on ours, but you want to get these as tight as you can. This takes the sway or movement out of the back end of this tractor, so you're not going to have much movement at all, and that's going to kind of keep everything stabilized from the way you see it on the back right here. All right, one of your final steps here is to place the PTO shaft onto our machine to your tractor, just as shown right here. So in summary of what we've done, we got the mower deck height established, we got the category pins hooked to the lift arms of the PTO, you got your stabilizer middle length on, you have these adjusted tight at the bottom, your stabilizer bars, and you have our support arms in place. With all this accomplished, this is going to be locked in place back here, so you can't raise it up and down. That's why your mower deck has to be set at the beginning. So everything's locked in place. That way your drive shaft's not going to move up and down. You're all set. You have about an 8-inch height on the back off the ground, which is about what you want. So this is the final look, as you see it right here, is how it should be hooked up.